Welcome to Odonity. So in this video I am going to explain about the functionality portal maintenance site. So first of all we will go to the maintenance and go to maintenance stage, and here we can see that we have this stage. So first we need to set that which stage is new. So automatically request created from portal site, it will create request with this stage. So I check new stage as this, and we can allow portal site user to edit till which stage. So in new and in progress we allow to edit, and in delete only on new request. So if we go to any request, and we can see that here it display that in this stage it allows to edit, delete, type. So in new you can see here it don't allow, and here don't allow to edit and delete both, right? And here we added requesting partner. So it means we can set customer which like current logged in portal user are requesting. So this is how this things is working. So if we go to the portal site and see how it works. So if we go to portal, my account, and here you can see maintenance. If we click, then we can see here this kind of request that is already on specific account, right? The request ID, which name, created on, technician, category, stage. We can search here with title, description, stage. We can group by stage, technician, category. Like if I just see with stage, then it looks how, right? And we can sort by name, title, priority, and we can create from here. So let's say laptop screen issue something, right? I can select here this laptop, and priority you can set high, corrective or preventive, and then we can select instruction type PDF, then we can upload PDF instruction. If Google slide, then we can add Google slide link, and text, then we can enter text. My laptop, let's say screen brightness issue sometime, and note, let's say consider this request as high priority, and click on create, then it's created. If you go here and maintenance list, you can see it's created, and you can see this instruction text note, right? And all this how it looks. Here the technician who assigned requested by the current user, and we can edit, let's say, right? Let's say you can see it's changed, and if I want to delete, then it's asked for confirmation, then we can delete. But if it is repaired, then you can see I cannot see delete or edit button, and if it is in progress, let's say, then it only display edit button. So this is based on stage related configuration. So this is how it works. This, and if we go to backend, then here in backend, it's visible like this, right? Here the instruction, this, right?